Hello, family. Let me ask you something. Do you ever crave that perfect crispy, salty snacks you can't stop munching on? Have you ever wondered how to get it with just green, unripe plantain? Yes, well, today is your lucky day because we are making the crispiest, most addictive fried plantain chips right here in Kele kitchen. Yay! Just stick around because I'm not just sharing this recipe, but I'm going to share you all my pro tips on how to get the most crispiest plantain chips. Yes. Can you hear that sound? Just check out that sound. Yes. Just check out that sound. Can you hear that sound? Oh, that's so addictive. Hello everyone. If today is your first time, a warm welcome to you. This is Kele Kitchen here. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to watch all our videos. Without wasting time, let us go into Kele Kitchen. Yes, here we have 3 unripe plantain. Feel free to use as much quantity of plantain you want. Like I say, I'll be dropping all the pro tips I have. I will show you 2 types of peeling. This very one, I call it random peeling. As you can see, just anyhow, you are peeling it anyhow, where your hand catches, you just peel and peel. This one, I don't really like it. I will show you another type of peeling, the second one. Yeah, the second one, I call it row peeling. As you can see here, you make your lines straight across the plantain. As you can see, first row peeled, second row peeled, third row peeled, and we are good to go. Yeah. After that, I wash the plantain, I dry it with a paper towel. So the second tip is the peeler you are going to use. The first one here is the kitchen grater. The second one is the potato peeler. The third one is your knife, and the last one is the vegetable slicer. So if you don't have the vegetable slicer, make use of what you have and you are good to go. As you can see here, the first one is with the kitchen knife. Make sure that your knife is very sharp so that you can achieve your goal. After the kitchen knife, next one is the potato peeler. Yes, potato peeler. Then after potato peeler, I went ahead to try the kitchen grater, but it was not sharp, so I didn't use it any longer. Then here is the vegetable slicer as well. When you are using this one, make sure you are careful so that you not cut your fingers. And at last, this is what I was able to get. The secret behind getting a crispy plantain chips is to slice it as thin as you can. The thinner, the better. Just see what we have here. Check it out. Then after that, you heat your oil on a medium heat. And then here we go. Just fry gently and watch the magic happen. Yeah, fry until they are golden brown. Around 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, depending on the heat of your cooker. If you are still watching up to this moment, that means you like what you are seeing. I would like you to subscribe to our video, hit on the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Yes, and we would like to know where you are watching from so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your share. We appreciate all. Yes. So go ahead and finish the rest of the plantain you have. Then I have another secret to drop. Here is on the seasoning. Yeah. Sometimes you notice when you eat the chips you bought outside, there are a lot of salt in them. For this one, homemade, very healthy. So you season while it is hot. As soon as you brought it out from the oil, you can add salt, you can add garlic powder. Just season it with any season of your choice, like paprika, If you are a sweet lover, you can add sugar. Yay! So for my test, I divided it into two. One part I added salt because of my children, and the other part nothing. Just check out the sound. Just check out how crunchy. Yeah, can you hear that? How crunchy it's sounding. So let me know in the comment section your preferred seasoning taste. Yes. Another tip is that this very plantain chips has served as a lucrative business, so you can go ahead and package it. If you want to make it a business, get some plastic bags, package it. As you can see how I demonstrated it in this video, it can serve as snacks. Your children can take it to school, you can take it to your work. Just check out how it looks. So another secret is that everything about these plantain chips is beneficial. Yeah. So let me know if you are the salty chips lover or do you like it crispy. Just drop it in the comment section below, and here is the end of this video. Please subscribe to Kele Kitchen for more videos and share this video if you have found this video helpful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.